Everyone, I'm back with a new session on subject ICT. Today's topic is on data and big data. So we'll see what is big data. Big data is a collection of data that is a huge in volume. For example, social media sites every day generates 400 plus terabytes of data in terms of videos, photos, exchanges. Our world has been changed with internet. We utilize internet in every aspect of life. Ordering grocery, reading newspaper, exchanging photos over a messenger. All the above mentioned changes have been result of how data and informations are being handled. Data and information usually refers to a raw quantity, letters, symbols. Data is frequently collected and translated for a specific purpose and then used as a foundation for additional research. Data has been processed known as information. As a result, information is the data that can be structured and evaluated in a meaningful way. Let us see one example on data and information. Data is elephants 5000, 7500, 3, 2.7 and Asian. How can we convert this into the informations? Elephants are the world's largest animal. African elephants can reach up to 3 meter tall, weigh around 5000 to 7000. Asian elephants are slightly smaller and 2 meter tall. So data can be of two types. One is qualitative, descriptive, and one is quantitative. So this is a numerical. It has also again two types. One is a discrete and one is a continuous. Discrete is usually counted. Example 11 people, 99 books. Continuous is usually measured. Example 18 mm and 44 cm. What is a qualitative data? Is the data that is descriptive piece of a information. Quantitative data is the data that provides the numerical information. Example 1, 22. This can be further divided into subtype as a discrete and continuous. Now we'll see what is discrete. Discrete is a count that involves only integers. Discrete values cannot be subdivided into parts. Example, the number of children in a class is a discrete data. We can't count 1.5 kids. Example, the number of students in the class, the number of workers in the company, the number of test questions you answered correctly. What is a continuous data? This data can be meaningfully divided into a finer levels. It can also measured on the scale and have any numerical value. Example, the amount of the time required to complete a project, the height of a children, the speed of a car and the size of a room. Now we'll see what is knowledge. Knowledge is an ability to understand the information and then form judgments, opinions, and make prediction based on that understanding. So we have DKI model, that is data, information, knowledge, and wisdom. Data is an individual facts or a figure. Information is organized, structured, categorized, and useful. Knowledge is idea, learning, concept, or compared. Wisdom is understanding, integration, actionable, and decision making process. So DIKW pyramid represents the relationship between data, information, knowledge, and wisdom. Now we'll see the characteristics of a big data. So big data, that's a volume is a huge amount of data. Variety, different formats of data from various sources. Value, extract the useful information. Velocity, high speed of accumulation of data. Veracity is inconsistency in the data. So what does a volume refers to? Volume, this refers to a huge amount of data that is generated at rapid rate every day, including the sources like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. The data sets greater than terabytes, petabytes are called big data. What's the velocity? This refers to the speed at which different sources are generating the data on daily basis. The data flow is getting high and continuous form. Veracity refers to consistency, quality, accuracy, and reliability of a big data. Also, this process to sort out and manage big data. Fourth one is a variety. Big data sets are generally collected from a wide range of sources. Data set can be also such type such as images, text and audio. Fifth one is value. Data in itself is of no use, but it needs to be converted into something valuable to extract the information. Value is most important V in this five V's. So we'll see discuss now about IoT. What is this IoT? That is Internet of Things. Is a network of physical objects which sense and transfer the data over the internet without human intervention. Today we have IoT devices in our homes like smartphones, smart watches, smart doorbells and more. It is a new technology that allows to connect any devices to the internet with the objective of exchanging the information. With IoT, we can control anything through the internet like domestic devices, merchandise and equipment. Now we'll discuss about the working with the IoT. There are mainly four components of IoT. First one is a sensor, second is a connectivity, third one is a data processing and fourth one is a user interface. So what is a sensor? Sensor, these are the first point of contact between the outside environment and IoT system. They are embedded in gadgets and to work collect the data from surroundings such as location, temperature, light, etc. Smartphone is an example device with a purpose multiple sensors like camera, GPS. Second one is a connectivity. After data has been collected by the sensor, it has been sent to IoT platform, also known as a cloud infra, through a medium such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. These medium allows the devices to connect and communicate with each other, therefore facilitating and sending and receiving of the information. Third one is a data processing. Data that is collected and shared needs to be processed to extract the useful information. This is possible through the big data engine analytics. Fourth one is a user interface. When data has been processed, information is then sent to the user. So user can understand and analyze the information to take the decision using a user interface. Now we'll see some application of IoT. First one is a smart homes. Switching on the lights as someone walks in, switching on the AC and adjusting the temperature according to the weather and unlocking the door, etc. are the some of the features of the smart homes. Smart bag. The Adobe Smart Bag, which is related to the retailer's mobile app, keeps the track of what is in your shopping bag. It works like a virtual shopping cart. When we add items are added to the paid mobile application shopping cart. When you wishes to check out the smart bag needs the signal to the mobile app which initiates the payment. Wearables. These are the devices that have sensors embedded in the item. There are a lot of IoT devices that one can wear such as smart specs, watches, etc. It broadly covers the fitness and the health related data. I hope you enjoyed this content and you like the content and it was very informative. If you like the content, please do give a like, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the more updates on this kind of a sessions. Thank you.